And in Faulkner County, water creeping closer and closer to neighborhoods today. Homeowners are piling up sandbags before the water actually reaches their homes. Fox 16's Hillary Hunt in a neighborhood in Lake Conway area. Hillary, these people are seeing the trickle-down effect. I guess you could call it that, right?
Walls of sandbags like the ones you see right here are what homeowners here on and around Lake Conway are hoping is going to save their home. But as you can see, water is already seeping through. People who live on Lake Conway spending much of the day and the weekend preparing for the rising waters. As the Arkansas River continues to swell, so does the lake in Faulkner County, then pushing that water into a nearby creek, which is already filling yards. The National Weather Service including a flood warning for Lake Conway, saying the peak level of those waters is unknown at this time. Dozens in disbelief at just how fast that water's coming.
Very, very surprised, because this morning when I started, it was just at a certain point, and then within just like 2 hours, it's came up a good bit.
The National Weather Service going on to say that the threat of flooding around Lake Conway could possibly extend past this week. Every homeowner I spoke with telling me that they're so grateful for all the help they've received in the preparation phase as that water begins to come up. But they hope that help continues once the waters begin to recede. In Faulkner County, I'm Hillary Hunt. Back to you.
Yeah, that's a good point, Hillary. Thank you. As we wait for the floodwaters to go down all across the area, be sure to stay with Fox 16 News for the latest on the conditions, evacuations, road closures, as well as projections on when that river will crest.
And you will find our coverage here on air and, of course, online at fox16.com.